Hey everybody, I'm just Stroud with Hurricane Stroud, and we had passenger side headlight go out, and I've had these LEDs for a while. I just been working, it's been cold and hadn't felt like I had. They're Sealight LEDs. I ordered them off of Amazon. I don't even know if they're still available, but that's the code for them. For this job, you need the LEDs and maybe a flathead screwdriver. It helped. It's a pretty simple job. It replaces your factory style headlights with these LED style. Should be a very easy video. Stick around, we'll see what the difference is. Thanks. And the LEDs are like that. And I think the reason why you have to cut the plastic part out is because these LEDs have such a bigger back. I don't know, it might work without having to cut anything, because it's pretty close. This kit comes with all your cables and some white gloves. I assume these are like all other bulbs where you don't really need to touch them with your hand, because the oil residue will make them blow faster. And that's what the contraption looks like out of the package. Okay, when you go to hook these up, this headlight casing and this headlight casing are different sizes, and the new LEDs will only fit in there, and the big one only fit in the big one, and the small one only fit in the small one. Yeah, I think that's about it. And to take these headlights out, you just flip this up, and then you pull it towards the radiator, and that's pretty much it. Then you can finagle the headlight and take it out. That was pretty simple. It was pretty simple. Like I said, the main thing is just to make sure you put the big LED socket, or put the big LED one in, and then put the small one in, and then hook everything up. What I originally tried to do was just go ahead and plug it into what was there, and then I plugged it. Of course, I plugged the big one into the small one, and the small one into the big one, and then I just had to unplug them and switch them around. But it's easier just to take the headlight out, go ahead and put the LEDs in the headlights, and then take that and put it into the truck. Now I'm taking, turn it on, and we'll see what the difference is. These headlights are, I don't know, a year old. Like the actual screen with the bulbs, there's probably a year old also. It's wider, but I'm not gonna set it any brighter. But I don't know. I think I'll leave it like this. Wait till it gets a little darker, so I can see actual side-by-side comparison. I'd say I've got a truck sitting in front of this truck, and you can tell it's a little bit brighter. I mean, not a whole lot. We'll do some nighttime driving, and I'll let you guys know down in the comments on how it looks at night versus the original. Thank y'all. had to do that was a little bit of a difference was it comes with a extended cable with a box that elevates the amperage of the LED, and I've just stuffed it back, I mean, through the hole that the original light wiring comes through, and that's about it. If this video right here was in any way helpful, please like, subscribe, comment down below if there's anything you need help with, and I'll try to help you out the best I can. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.